What's up, everyone? It's Trinidad, and in this video is another like impromptu pack opening, and Nicole's gonna open it. So yeah, let's get into this. So yeah, I got this Kaga girl, which I wanted from the 3 packs. Here are the 3 Yu-Gi-Oh packs I'll be opening. But let's start off with the Pokemon pack. We're at the beach right now. It's windy.
Nope. Nope.
Just destroy it. She's hoping to pull the new Ampharos that came out. What if you get Mareep and Flappy, but not Ampharos? Oh shoot! It just flew. It wanted to hang out with you. Oh, we got that pack open. We got Lit Leo. I'll show the cam. Nose pass. Hop it.
Aww.
Meow. Ponyta. Oh, the shiny Vulcan Rona. It's shiny. It's like it's not hollow, but it's in shiny form. Skip Blue. We got Hoppip and Skip Blue. Cool. Let's get to Yu-Gi-Oh. So here's the code card for anyone who wants it. Alright, let's get in a pack of Yu-Gi-Ohs.
Nope.
Yeah, got it. Mimikyu. Oh, should I see a fusion with Viper Bear? Super. Misjudge. Unibloom. What the heck is that?
Lindblom?
Oh, Lindabloom. Nice. Alright, my turn. So, here's the packs I'm gonna open. Oh, look, the same one. Let's start off with. What the? Is it gonna be the same exact pack? Drama. So, oh, it's super rare. First movement. Serenade. And Watchdog. He's a dog that watches. And then we got Secrets of Eternity. Mortronic. Performer Power. Muffler. Lion. Senju. Pendulum Shift. Performer. Junior. So nothing great, but pretty fun stuff. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.